Alright. Hello, so today we got a repair video for you guys. A hubble repair. Right now, old keyboard, it's a Sony CDP-CX53. Now, you see this years ago, so I've been for a long time. It used to work, and now, unfortunately, it doesn't. So what's wrong with it? Well, this is a 50C changer. Just turn it on. It's off a cord. But anyhow. So I put it up. And I think here should spin. Select the disc. Turn the knob blue. Nothing happens. At all. That should spin, the motor moving. It ain't doing shit. It's free, it moves. Are you kidding me? All I had to do is spin a little bit, it works. Wow. So I wonder if I hadn't was trying to make it work, I would have moved it by accident. Or essentially it was, I don't know, I was doing it wrong, I moved it. I didn't move it somewhere, I moved it, then it just reset it. It's back to normal, and now it's sort of like normal. Well then, it has a RCA output, so actually we do it downstairs. Well, in the mixer to see it works. That took what? Not even a minute to do. Wow. RIP. Oh man, that works. Oh, that's funny. Alright, so here's this keyboard. Here's the board. There's channel 78. And here's the disc. I just got done burning. I need to say, got my access 900. I'm kind of playing this here. Let's go ahead. And I'll turn it on. Start moving. It's a good time. Turn her up. And I'll show you the nice heads with the sticker on her. This says keep the label. On the right. Not a problem. Wait this minute. And disc one. Alright. Keep the label on the right. As long as the laser's not dead, it'll work. And there. How's it look? Good boy. There she goes. So you look over the board now. Figures all the way off. On the board. Got the figures. The channel. Let's see. It goes there. Back to the city wire. It lives again. And I probably screwed that up. I probably turned it some way manually after that. So, I'm having a reaction because I did it off camera. How it worked. I couldn't find a blank CDR. So I used the copyrighted one. I thought I'd do of the own and play it. And it worked. So maybe that's one nothing to die for, but nice to see that it runs again. Maybe we can skip all the tracks here. Skip the track. It looks pretty quick, actually. I bet make a louder one too. What did I do? That was quite an easy fix. I can use this for myself. Anyway, editing somewhere to have live screens. I just don't know where. We'll figure that out later. I'm gonna put the city in the background in the live screen. It's pretty cool. If I use a mode behind the TV, let go over here. Behind the TV, I could do that. And put that over here and it's nice. But I don't know yet where I can go. I need to get down here too, so I can get warm. So I'll record up there. So, I'll go in the closet over there. Yeah, that works again. Cool. You guys enjoyed this thing? Take it easy. Alright, so this is a pretty interesting one. So I said this TV would be pretty broke. I feel like the capacitor was broke. Motor was even bad. The knob was even bad. But no, all along I pushed on the loop. I suspect it was a sensor that was not lined up correctly. When I pushed on the turntable, the sensor lined up and it worked. I saw it spin and it kind of recalibrated itself. So, yeah. I pushed this with a 2 screwdriver, try it apart, find a broken capacitor, or take 1 meter out and test the power at certain places. But nope, all along. Just push on the table and adjust it. So, this is quite an interesting video. Yeah. Definitely an interesting one. Alright, so that's it, I guess. It works though. So, hopefully this will do it. Listen, guys. Take it easy.